Welcome to another lesson on ChatGPT. Imagine a world where research takes just moments. With ChatGPT, that world is at your fingertips. Today, we'll explore how to harness ChatGPT for effective research. ChatGPT is an AI that can assist you in gathering data. It synthesizes vast information into coherent responses. Let's dive into the process of using ChatGPT for research. First, know your topic well. Narrow down specific questions you want answered. A focused question leads to relevant responses. Next, phrase your query clearly. Use simple language and direct prompts. This guides ChatGPT to provide concise information. Once you receive a response, evaluate the information. Make sure to carefully review the response to determine whether it fully and accurately addresses your question. Now, let's look at an example. Imagine you're researching climate change. Instead of "tell me about climate change," ask "what are the effects of climate change on agriculture?" Summarizing key points with ChatGPT helps you create clear notes faster and save research time. This method helps streamline your research process. By using ChatGPT, you gain access to immediate, reliable knowledge. In conclusion, ChatGPT supercharges research by delivering fast, valuable insights. Embrace this tool to enhance your learning experience. Now, get started on your next research project. Harness the power of ChatGPT today and experience efficiency like never before. In the next video we will discuss about verifying and fact-checking information. Stay connected with us. Thank you.